Hello friends, welcome back to my channel for another Sadie Stickers and Mystery Kit reveal. We are starting our 2025 mystery kits, you guys, which is so exciting. I've had a full year of mystery kit reveals on here from Sadie Stickers, and we are starting another one. So the goodness continues, and I can't wait to share this with you guys. So this is our January 2025 mystery. What I'm holding up here is the vellum from the decorative kit. So this has been, I've probably said it every video at this point, but I learned this from Danny where she was like using this to hide everything behind it. And I was like, oh, this is perfect. So the mystery kit is behind here. If for some reason you happen to click on this video and you don't want to see the mystery, please go ahead and click out until you've seen yours and want to come back and watch it later. But if you are ready to see what's underneath here, I'm going to go ahead and remove this so we can take a look at both the weekly and the decorative collections. All right, we ready? Let's remove this. Let me just show you the vellum a little bit more up close here. This is always like a little sneak peek of the florals we're gonna see. Really pretty, very springy. And there's always a mood board posted on her Instagram, and then I always share that as well. So you kind of have like a sneak of what might be coming in the kit, so you know if you want to subscribe or just pick up that month or whatever. So this is absolutely gorgeous. It is kind of like a cherry blossom, like springy feel. It's not like heavily cherry blossom. I guess it kind of is, but it also just feels very springy. So let me share the weekly kit and then we'll go into the decorative. I do have both subscriptions for Sadie Stickers, but you can choose to get one or the other, or both if you would like to do both. There are deals on her website for all of that. So if you're not subscribed and you're interested, make sure you run over to her website and check out all the information. But here is the weekly kit for the January mystery. Like I said, you can kind of see there's like a heavy cherry blossom influence, but without cherry blossoms being the actual flower, floral for the kit. So we have these pretty florals, which I think she used in one of her mystery kits, but it was like winter last year. So it's fun that they're now in like a spring kit because these florals could go either way, really. So up here, we've got these like cherry blossom foil goodies here with like some little paper boats. That's so cute out here. And then obviously we have like our 3 floral boxes, which help balance everything. Up here, we've got some paper planes, a little stamp, this adorable little mailbox, and then there's like some cherry blossoms kind of hanging out behind there. It's really pretty because it's like got these florals from like the florals in the kit, but then also cherry blossoms, so it's a really cool combination. This is fun. You have all these little street lights with this little cherry blossom walk, and then how cute is that little foiled like grass deco? I love that. They're like little like grass and florals maybe? I don't know. And then tiny little puddle. That's adorable. So dainty. I'm a fan. Our quote box says Blossom by Blossom, Spring Begins. We're all starting to look at spring kits right now, so this is perfect timing. And then down here we have this gorgeous foiled tree with like the watercolor cherry blossom in the background. And then we got more foiled trees here and really, again, super delicate, dainty little like ripples in the water and some cattails. I'm really loving all the dainty foil elements she added in here. I feel like that's kind of different. Like, I don't think we've seen such dainty, tiny little elements. It's adorable. Those would be really hard. Like I was thinking, oh, I'd really love a foiled sheet of these, but how hard would that be to pick up and put down on a thing? But I don't know. I really like them. Okay, here's our boxes page and all of these really pretty spring colors. This is foiled in silver foil in case that's not obvious on my screen here. So there's a little bit of foiled elements. Page 3 is our layering page. So we always get a little bit of deco up here. And then that's interesting. It almost looks like snow. Is that snow on there? Or is this just like, I don't know. Doesn't that look like snow? Maybe it's supposed to be like a, intro into spring, and like, it does kind of look like that. Like this is really light here too. So I don't know. Maybe this is like the snow is melting and spring is beginning. Like a transition kit. Cause look, it looks like there's snow over here too. That's really cool. I didn't notice that before. And then like the puddles probably from like the melting snow. Okay, am I like, Alicia, I don't know if you're watching this, but if you are, comment and let me know if I'm like seeing this right. Or if you guys as, viewers, are you seeing that? Like, is that what you're seeing in this too? Which would make sense with Blossom by Blossom, Spring Begins, right? Like things are melting and we're turning into spring. I don't know. It's perfect for spring. Either way. Okay, we've got these cute little swatches, the Polaroids where the middle is cut out, watercolor swatches, torn paper, and grid paper. And then page 4 is our bottom washi. I love this like dainty little line. This like, it's not like a perfect line, I don't know. I feel like we've seen that a lot with different you know, like music notes, and we've seen snowflakes and different things. This just has like confetti around it, which is really pretty. And then we have the trace foiling on those florals. Oh, look at these colors. They're so perfect for spring. Oh yeah, see, look, just like that. So cute. Okay, so that's the 4-page base kit, and then you also get all the add-ons when you sign up for the mystery. So the add-ons for this collection, this is our foiled sheet. So sometimes it's a long skinny one with washi, sometimes it's like this where it's just deco. We've got all kinds of beautiful cherry blossom tree branches, the cute little paper planes and paper boats. Love those. Some confetti, and then some of those really pretty trees. And then we have the deco page. Love these big petals. Got a swing, some big floral bouquets. Super cute. And then there's that like fence again that has what I think is snow. We'll see. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, and then the journaling page. So we've got our days of the week, and then a bunch of different papers, stamps, deco, tiny little florals, which is fun. Torn papers, all of the journaling goodness. And then our floral page. So we've got all kinds of bouquets, individual florals, and then the floral washi. And then I will flip this over so we can see this better. This is our alcohol ink. We've got a good mix of large and small swatches on here, and all of these gorgeous colors from the kit. So that's everything that comes with the weekly kit. So you've got 5 add-ons and a 4-page kit, so you get 9 total sheets with the weekly collection. So this vellum, actually I should leave this in the background, right? We should leave that there. The vellum background comes with the decorative, not with the weekly. So if you are a fan of that, you would want to get the decorative to get the vellum, but there is the weekly kit. And then let's look at the decorative. Okay, and I'm gonna need one of these pages to be able to show you guys. I do get my decorative in washi, and you can choose your paper type. So you could get premium matte or washi. Transparent matte is no longer an option. You cannot foil the transparent matte, and that's a lot of paper types to keep in the shop. So she has washi paper or premium matte, so depending on what you prefer for your planning style. Okay, so this is our bouquets sheet here. Not bouquets, I'm sorry, you guys. The individual florals. These are the individual florals. Then we have our bouquets, and this does have some silver foil sprinkled. I feel like the camera's catching that really well, so you can see that. And then, oh my gosh, look at these pretty pink trees. I think this is the first time I've actually opened this and looked at it, you guys. So we're kind of doing this together for the first time. So this is super pretty. Look at these like watercolor cherry blossoms. So many petals, bird's nest. Obsessed. So pretty. Love. Okay. This is the edges, edges page. You've got some silver confetti foil here as well. And then, oh, look at this layered page. Oh my gosh, look at the little paper planes by the swing. Oh, I love that. And then look at this one with the tree and the watercolor tree behind it. I think that's such a cool looking way to do that. Got a little stamp. You've got a paper plane by the mailbox. And then look at all of that beautiful ripples on the water, kind of mimicking the full box in the weekly kit. Love that. Here is our torn papers, paper strips, if I'm going by the correct name on the paper, on the sheet. You've got that beautiful floral pattern, and then a little bit of each of the colors from the kit. And then here is our days and dates. We've got our dates in that really pretty pale pink. This is our borders, so just confetti foil here. So much foil, so pretty. And then we have some large scenes. So we've got this really beautiful scene here with like the little river. See, it does look like little snow, right? Like it's melting. And then here too, like the snow is melting into the streets. I think that really is what that is. That's so cool. And all the flowers like peeking up through the snow. How fun is that? It's definitely a transition kit. I've never seen one that's like so obviously transitioning like this. Love it. Okay, here's our boxes. So you got the longer box swatches here, and then you have these boxes that are similar to the ones in the kit. So pretty with all the foil. And then lastly, we have the swatches. Ugh, so good. Always so good. I'm telling you, just love these mysteries. Love getting these every month. If you're not subscribed, you can go to her site and either choose just 1 month or choose to continue to subscribe. I am on the continued subscription, so I get them every single month. I don't have to think about it. It just happens, which is lovely. But yeah, that's everything for the January mystery. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what your thoughts are. If you think you see snow in here, I'm pretty sure that's what we're seeing. But let me know if you think that as well, and what your thoughts are on this collection, and if you also subscribe. But I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks so much. Bye.